Real Madrid's new signing James Rodriguez has undergone a routine medical examination. The 23-year-old Colombian arriving at the Sanitas La Moraleja clinic at 10:30 this morning. James was greeted at the hospital entrance by Dr. Diez, head of medical services at Real Madrid, before undergoing a series of tests, including an electrocardiogram and biomechanical assessment. Medical staff were happy to report that the player has been given a clean bill of health and is ready to begin work immediately with the first team squad.
Real Madrid's latest signing is James Rodriguez, who arrives in the Spanish capital as the top goal scorer at the World Cup. An attacking midfielder with an eye for goal, James has all the qualities needed to shine at the highest level. A superb shot, great vision, wonderful balance and a natural ability to finish. At the World Cup in Brazil he excelled, scoring 6 times to land the Golden Boot and helping Colombia to the quarter-finals for the first time in their history. His performances in Brazil were confirmation of the talent that the 23-year-old has shown from an early age. At just 14, he made his debut in the Colombian First Division with Envigado. In 2008, he left for Banfield in Argentina, where he became the youngest player ever to debut and score in the Argentine First Division. In 2010, he arrived at Porto, where during 3 years with the Portuguese giants, James flourished, winning 3 league titles, 3 Portuguese Super Cups, 1 Portuguese Cup and 1 Europa League, scoring 32 goals in 107 games. His stunning record led him to join French side Monaco for the 2013-2014 season, where in 38 matches he scored 10 goals and provided 14 assists, enough for him to be awarded a place in the Ligue 1 Team of the Season, as well as being named Best Young Player. Without doubt, one of the world's very best young footballers, James Rodriguez, the newest addition to Real Madrid's squad.
Good evening and welcome to the Santiago Bernabeu. We're here again for yet another presentation of a new signing for Real Madrid. It's the turn of James Rodriguez, the Golden Boot at the recent World Cup in Brazil. And look at those scenes, look at the crowds here in the Santiago Bernabeu. Beautiful hot summer's evening in Madrid, in the Spanish capital, and they've come out to see this man, to greet him and to present him as the new signing for Real Madrid for 2014-2015 season. It's James Rodriguez, and we'll be here to give you the presentation by the club president Florentino Perez, and we shall see also James will probably go down there to the pitch to greet his fans and show us a few ball skills, a bit of ball juggling, I would imagine, as well. We'll be here for that as well, and then after that we will go to the press conference. But things are getting ready in the presidential box in the Santiago Bernabeu, and we're seconds away from the presentation of James Rodriguez. Clips of boy playing in his native Colombia. Clips were being shown all through the day on Real Madrid TV. The 23-year-old who started his career at Envigado in Colombia before going on to play for Banfield in Argentina for 2 seasons, before he got his big move in 2010 to Europe, to European football, and to play for FC Porto in the Portuguese league. Played there for 3 seasons before signing last summer for Monaco. Again, a big money signing at the time. was 45 million euros, the signing for Monaco for the French League. But this is the signing that everybody's talking about in world football today. James Rodriguez signing for Real Madrid for 80 million euros, making him the third most expensive player in Real Madrid's history. And what a prospect. Vale. No sabía. So here we have Florentino Perez, president of Real Madrid, who is going to present the new signing, James Rodriguez.
Buenas tardes.
Good evening.
Buenas tardes a todos y bienvenidos al Estadio Santiago Bernabéu.
And welcome to all of you to the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium.
Nuestro equipo ganó 2 títulos.
Last season our team won 2 titles.
Y la Copa de Su Majestad el Rey.
The King's Cup and of course what we all dreamed about, the 10th Champions League.
Fue sin duda un magnífico año. Nuestros jugadores realizaron una gran temporada.
It was a fantastic season. Our players had a great season. But now we only think about improving our squad.
En el Real Madrid, los títulos conseguidos son siempre el punto de partida hacia nuevos retos y nuevos objetivos.
As you all know, the titles that we achieve is only the starting point to go on and win more.
Lograron construir una leyenda marcada por el.
As you all know, the club, with Alfredo Di Stefano leading it, has made this club a winning club, And our fans always want more triumphs, more victories. And we will always work towards that and bring more talent to the club. Alfredo Di Stefano was the man who changed the history of this club.
Alfredo Di Stefano llegó a nuestro club en 1953 desde Colombia, precisamente desde el Millonarios.
Di Stefano came to this club in 1953 from Colombia, from the football club there, Millonarios. And that is something that we never forget in this club. For that reason, it gives me great satisfaction to present to you and all the Colombians here tonight in the stadium the signing of James. Hope that all our followers, all our members live this day with a lot of satisfaction, because we've signed a player that has led a fantastic Colombian national team in the recent World Cup. It's a player that was one of the stars of the recent World Cup.
Le han confirmado como uno de los grandes del Mundial, conquistando la bota de oro como máximo goleador,
and his goals have shown that, including the best goal of the tournament, which went to make him to give him the Golden Boot Award for the most goals at the World Cup. So I'd like to welcome to all of you and present to all of you James Rodríguez.
Nunca has ocultado tu pasión por nuestra camiseta y por nuestro escudo. Cada vez que te han preguntado, has respondido con orgullo que el equipo con el que soñabas era el Real Madrid.
James, you've always talked about your love, the passion for our club, how you support them as a child, supported us as a child.
Hoy seguro que recordarás con intensidad la primera vez que visitaste el Bernabéu,
and I'm sure
dijiste que querías jugar aquí algún día.
You will remember the first time you came to the club and you said that you wanted to come eventually one day and play here. Well, James, that dream is beginning today. You are from today a Real Madrid footballer like many other famous players in the past. Your parents, your wife, your country, all your family, they'll all be proud of you today, because they know the sacrifices you have made to arrive at this day to become a Real Madrid player. And Colombia will be with you on this journey. And all Madrid fans from around the world will be by your side as well. They will give you everything you need to be at this club, and all I ask from you is that you give everything to the club. As I said, last season was magnificent, but we can't sit back on that. We can't be complacent. And for us,